Welcome back, my friends. Today we are crafting using these tumbling tower Jenga blocks. These are the Dollar Tree version of the Jenga blocks. I always like to put them in a basket because it keeps them contained. We're also going to use a few of these little blocks. They just came from a toy at Dollar Tree. We're also going to be using some wood beads and some googly eyes and whatever size you have. We're also going to use two paints. I chose these two because they're a little bit more than neutral, but have fun and choose whatever you want. We're going to use some paintbrushes as well as some mosaic tiles that I got at Dollar Tree. Plus, these are complementing the two color paints that I got. I'm also going to use hot glue, but you can use wood glue or regular glue if you'd like. We are going to start with 4 of the blocks and we're going to join 2 and 2 together and then join those 2 with the other 2 so that we can stack them up and make it a little thicker, just like this. It does not matter if you use the darker or the lighter ones because we're going to paint them. We're going to do the same thing with another set of 4 and we are going to just hot glue them together. Then we're going to bring in the wooden blocks. Again, these were leftover from a game that we bought at Dollar Tree and I just wanted to keep them. I'm going to use 1 on each one. Now we're going to make little monsters with these. So we are going to do 1 vertically and 1 horizontally. For the horizontal one, we added 2 heads because why not? For the little feet, we're going to add 2 of these little wood beads to the vertical one. And then we are going to add 3 to the horizontal one. But remember, use your creativity. You can do whatever you want. We are going to then paint them. And again, I chose these little neutral colors. I love the blue and the light green that it has, but choose bright colors if you want. You can choose red, blue, green. The possibilities are endless. I gave these a couple of coats and I put them to the side to dry. Once they were nicely dry, it's time to start adding some googly eyes. These are a little on the larger side and I get these in a bundle at Dollar Tree. I'm going to put 1 on the 1-headed one and then some blue ones on the blue 2-headed ones because it just complements the design. But again, use whatever you have. We're going to use some of these mosaic tiles. Again, these complement the colors of each little monster very nicely. I'm going to hot glue on the vertical one, just vertically, 3 different shades of the greens and then 1 white one. And then on the blue one, we're going to add them horizontally. And again, just using the 3 shades that comes in the set. How cute! We're going to use some of these giant Chanel stems. I love these. I recently found these at Dollar Tree. We're going to use a green one and a blue one. We're going to cut them in half. Actually, we're going to cut them in 4s. But first, we're going to cut them in half. And we are going to use these to create little antennas for our little monsters as well as arms. For the first one, we're just going to kind of curl a little bit of the top one, leaving about maybe an inch, 2.5 right there. And we're going to hot glue them, making sure that the antennas are facing 1 to each side. How fun! For the remaining stem, we are going to cut it in half again, and we're going to zigzag the design on this one's arms. And then we are going to hot glue them to its back. Again, you can also staple them because they are made out of wood, but glue really works well. We're going to do something similar to the blue one, except we are going to make the little antennas just a little shorter. After we cut the stem in half, we're just going to roll it around like we did the first one, but we're going to do it a little further to the bottom. We're going to do the same thing to the second one, and again, we're going to hot glue them to the back of the heads, but this time we're going to do it kind of like sideways. I think it's fun. Again, use your imagination, have fun, whatever you want. For the arms, we're going to cut them in half once again. And then we are going to, instead of zigzagging them, we are going to roll it around in a pencil, just creating a little spring with them. And we are going to hot glue them to its back. And we are just about done. And how adorable are these little monsters? They are little friends right now. Love the color combinations. What do you think of this one? Let me know down in the comments. And as always, friends, if you want to watch more fun crafts, check out this next video. Click on it. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.